Ebru mamu meba na Wednesday on social media. Ndị mmadụ say na m si onye ọbụla akụrụ ụlọ kwunye m kwu na Wednesday. Ọ bụ ha ma na anyị nwere massive land na Amaoka. Amaoka na Anambra ebe a bụ headquarter of Zion. The reason why we are not doing program there is because of insecurity. Zion will later be branch. Amaoka Igbo land yabo headquarter. Amen and amen. Amen. And that is where we have enough land that can contain us. And whatever you are seeing in Lagos is going to. We have a project in the 5 states. Psychiatric home. Anambra Imo. Ebonyi, Enugu, Abia, Imo State, Delta Igbo, River State. That there shall be no mad person walking on the street of Igbo land again. Anywhere we see them, we pick them. You know, I advise our people, no matter the investment you have outside, bring some to East, that it will make that area to develop. You know, that Wednesday I was angry because our place cannot be like desert. Because no work, everybody is running away from there. But if our people can be bringing some of their company home, when somebody graduates, they will see a place they are working. I know there is no seaport, no international airport, even though we are the highest traveling race in Africa. We understand what is happening, but we can still help ourselves and struggle and bring something home. Both Seraphic water, this one space ever, hospital, everything na East. Charity begins at home. And the people don't know we have started work in Amaoka. They will bring the video of the work going on there. Some of you, they were challenging you. He preached about this. Why didn't he say, and let me be honest with you. Some people don't know Ebuka Obi. We are the prophet of end time. Don't be surprised. So many people hate me today. Because my ideology about the things of God is quite different. How can a man of God be preaching? Nobody should collect money. That the gift you receive is freely and freely you shall give. That you're not supposed to charge anybody money for consultation. That is sin. Do you think that all the men of God doing that will like me? The first assassin they sent to me to kill me was sent by pastors. And the same message. I am condemning Yahoo boys. Do you think they will like me? Most of all these people we see attacking us on social, they are all bad boys. See, most of them are using fake accounts. Amen. Because they don't understand. We have a project in the 5 states right now. After that, if we finish building it, in fact, somebody say he will build Anambra alone. Amen. And what are we building? We are building psychiatric home with a small hospital in each state. We are going to meet the host 5 state governors. That is a taboo in Agana Hina Hundara. That we are going to pick them. Most of them is frustration. And on that Wednesday, I praise our brother Innocent because of the motto he's producing in Igbo land, giving the people job. I also praise Father Mbaka. The people he's paying salary a month is over 70,000. Amen and amen. And if our billionaires can be taking small things home, that place will be developing. Because federal government will not develop that area for us. It's the Igbo that will develop it. And no matter how many times we run away, home is home. You have American passport, America is not your home. You are in Lagos here, Lagos is not your home. You are in Kano, Kano is not your home. Your home with that place. And it will be our collective idea to make that place beautiful. That is what I said. So even when you are saying the truth, they will still have any reason to be fighting you. Man, there are cause. And if any of them, When one boy so that ideology enter their brain. You cannot insult the internal deity and go free. Anywhere you latching a monkey sala banana. And whatever you believe will work for you. What I believe will work for me. The whole social media block, Ebuka couldn't care. Ebuka Igbo is like a bird in the cage. But let me ask you, are we not like a bird in the cage? It is free here. Whether you like it or not, Igbo people, so far as this place is concerned, we are like a bird in the cage. Onye kwusi okwu ike edebi ofu ebe enwe ihe na-eme ugbu a ọkwa asị na this year bụta ọnụ anyị akwa ihe kwuru ndị na-eme ugbu a ihe m na-agwa ndị Igbo bụ onye ọbụla wake up. Somebody must be a prophet to the people. Akụnụba niile nwere the outside onye riri ka ebu because o nwere ihe si eme gara ndị nwe obodo ije na Amoka anyị nwere massive land na Amoka. We have projects in Amoka. Even as I'm talking now, Goroto is going on there. That is the headquarters of Zion. I lift my hand up. I pray for Zionites all over the world doing this prayer. Echetami Igbo land. Chukwu luzera anya ogo. Otogo mgbe eji ekwu na 2023 bụ our turn. Akpala anya ọzọ. Akpala anya. Eji anya eji. Anya eweli aka elu chenu a iji eji. Chenu a pịawa n'aha Jizọs. Let help come. Let help come for us. From this altar, I declare help upon our people. Our people in different prisons be set free.